Hello and a warm welcome. It's wonderful that you've found your way here. Heart to heart, do you ever feel like you are living someone else's life? That you are constantly fulfilling the expectations of your family, friends, or society, while what you truly want gets left behind? Do you feel torn inside because you often say yes when your entire being is screaming no? You make a decision, your field of study, your job, or where you live, and years later, you wake up and wonder, wait a minute, how did I even get here? This was never what I wanted. This painful moment of realization is more common than you think. The greatest danger is living a life that simply doesn't feel like your own because we've never connected with our own values. This feeling of not playing by your own rules costs an incredible amount of energy. It is like a tiny parasite that robs you of your energy, your joy, and your clarity, day after day. You function, you perform, you adapt. But when was the last time you truly paused and asked yourself, what do I actually want? If this question strikes even a quiet chord within you, you are in the right place. And after the meditation, I will share a 60-second practical trick that can noticeably calm your nervous system instantly. So, in the next few minutes, let us turn down the volume of the outside world together. We will free ourselves from the pressure of having to play a role that just doesn't feel like who you truly are, and follow a guide to reconnect with your true inner intention. That power that lets you walk your own path authentically, courageously, and full of energy. But why do we do this? Why do we push our authenticity aside just to belong? The answer lies deep within our human nature. Even as children, we learn belonging means safety. The desire to be accepted and loved is a fundamental human need. So, we adapt to avoid rejection. We often unconsciously adopt the rules for this from our parents, school, or culture. Phrases like, just make sure you do everything right, don't be too loud, or the classic, what will people think? These sentences become our inner operating system without us ever having consciously installed them. The problem is, what's right for others isn't necessarily right for you. You lose access to your energy, to your drive, and the solution isn't to become reckless and burn all your bridges. The solution is to live more consciously. To live consciously means bringing your attention into the here and now and listening to your own inner voice again. It is about building a new, honest relationship with yourself and asking, what is truly important to me? What gives me energy? What feels true and aligned for me? It is about doing less, but doing the right things. Things that are truly in harmony with your intention. When you start to live according to this true intention, something wonderful happens. Decisions become easier. You attract people and circumstances into your life that truly suit you. You no longer feel like a leaf in the wind, blown back and forth by others' expectations, but like a deeply rooted tree that remains stable even in a storm. You gain not only clarity, but above all, a deep inner peace and an unshakable energy. It has been shown that people who live in alignment with their values are more decisive, more content, and happier. And it is this very access to your true intention that we will now unlock in the following meditation. We will symbolically let go of the old, borrowed rules to create space for who you truly are and want to be. I now invite you to embark on this little journey to yourself. Find a place where you can be undisturbed for the next few minutes. Sit upright, but comfortably, or lie on your back, whatever feels better for you. And if you like, gently close your eyes. You don't have to achieve anything here, nothing to accomplish. Simply allow yourself to just be. This meditation is your protected space to escape the voices of the world for a moment and listen to your own inner voice again. Now take a deep breath in, and with the exhale, just let go of all the tension of the day. Breathe in again, and let go. You are safe. You are here. For a moment, just notice your body as it sits or lies here. Feel the points where your body touches the chair or the floor. Feel the weight of your body and how it is supported by the earth. And when thoughts come, and they will come, you don't push them away, but you also don't follow them. Just let them be, like clouds in the sky. And if a tingling or tension arises in the body, you don't have to fix it. If you become restless, you don't have to calm it. Simply allow everything to be there. Now, I invite you to imagine all the rules, expectations, and opinions of others. All the you must, you should, and that's just how it's done, that you have collected throughout your life. Imagine them as heavy gray stones in a backpack that you carry on your back. Feel into your body for a moment. Where exactly do you feel the weight of these foreign rules? Perhaps as a pressure on your shoulders, a tightness in your chest, or a knot in your stomach. Just notice this sensation without judging it. This is the burden you have been carrying. And imagine now how you slowly let this backpack slide off your shoulders. You open one buckle after another. With a deep, liberating exhale, you let the backpack fall to the ground beside you. Really hear the sound as the heavy stones thud onto the floor. Feel the immediate relief in your shoulders, in your back, in your entire body. You are free from this burden. These rules no longer have power over you. This space is now open and empty. So let us fill this empty space with your own truth. Bring your attention to the area of your heart, in the center of your chest. Imagine a warm, golden light beginning to glow there. At first, very soft and delicate, like the flame of a candle. This light is your true intention. It is your innermost core, completely untouched by the opinions of others. It is the essence of who you truly are. With every breath you take, this light becomes a little brighter, a little warmer. Breathe gently into your heart center and watch as the golden light expands. It fills your entire chest, flows into your arms and hands, down into your belly and your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. It rises up into your head and fills every corner of your being. You are now completely enveloped in the warm, radiant light of your own true intention. In this light, there is no must and no should. There is only what feels aligned and true for you. Now, in this golden light, ask yourself the question, what is truly important to me? Don't wait for an answer in words. Instead, pay attention to a feeling. What feeling do you want to experience more of in your life? Is it freedom? Peace? Joy? Creativity? Or connection? Perhaps a single word comes to mind that encapsulates your intention for the time ahead. A word like lightness, courage, presence, clarity, or growth. Let this word shine in your golden light. It is your personal anchor, your guiding light. Let us now anchor this new feeling with a few empowering statements. Repeat them inwardly for yourself, with feeling and conviction. I allow myself to walk my own path. My inner voice is my most important guide. I make decisions that feel right for me. I am worthy of living a life that fulfills me and makes me happy. My intention guides me with clarity and strength. Bathe for another moment in this feeling of clarity, strength, and inner peace. Know that this place of your true intention is always within you. You can return here at any time, simply by closing your eyes and connecting with the golden light in your heart. And very, very slowly, in your own time, begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Feel the surface beneath you again, the air on your skin. Gently move your fingers and toes to reactivate your body. Stretch and lengthen if that feels good. And only when you are ready, slowly open your eyes and come fully back to the here and now. Welcome back. Take this feeling of clarity and calm with you into your day. The journey to an authentic life is not a one-time event, but a practice, moment by moment. To anchor this, build a small, manageable habit into your daily routine, perhaps a micro ritual. Just once a day, pause for 60 seconds. Place a hand on your heart. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what do I truly want right now? This tiny pause is a powerful anchor that reconnects you with your true intention again and again. Never forget, you have the ability and the right to write the story of your life yourself. I thank you for your trust and for taking this time for yourself. If this meditation moved something within you, I would be overjoyed if you would subscribe to this channel to be accompanied on your path. And I would absolutely love to know what word for your intention may have emerged for you. Write it in the comments below to affirm it for yourself and to inspire others. Go your way. Your intention guides you. Take good care of yourself.